What is Himalayan Kriya Yoga? It's the practice of energy yoga in which we use dynamic movements, tap work, breath work, mudras, and deep meditative states. It has helped thousands of people to rewire their subconscious limiting beliefs, getting rid of suppressed emotions and dramas in order to clear energy channels and realigning you with the light and power that you are. And when you are 100% yourself, you are more effective as a human being in anything that you decide to do in this lifetime. My name is Martina and I was initiated in 2020 from my Guruji Samten Kriya and Dr. Pradeep Pulal. For the last few years, I'm spreading Himalayan Kriya Yoga in Europe between Italy and Spain, mentoring teacher trainees worldwide, certified by Yoga Alliance and Kevala Foundation. Through the practice of Himalayan Kriya Yoga, we are also able to understand the deepest aspects of yoga that most people have forgotten. I invite you to join us this magical journey of remembrance and enlightenment, becoming the true warrior of light through the guidance of the sacred teachings of our lineage. Hari Om Tat Sat.